There's one little tiny chip here. Let's see any others. It's just a bug or something. This is just it's not in the paint, but there's a little tiny chip on the body armor, the clear sticker. But I don't see any others. And then let me get around here, I'll show you a better shot. This one's in there pretty good. Yeah, I mean, it actually, it's a scratch. And it dented the door just a little bit. This one too. But it does, same thing, kind of pushed it in and then caught it right here. It does open and close like it should, so it's just in this panel. Same thing here. Just a visual. Hopefully that helps give you a better idea of those two spots.